By the way, is this funny that the first actual unboxing product review video that I'm doing is food? Like, I'm looking at my stomach thinking, by the way, I was looking at my stomach. No, don't get these ideas. Huh? Looking at my stomach, I'm like, food makes sense. वेलकम बैक टू चैनल गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू और बता। माय नेम इज सिड एंड ये जो वीडियो कर रहा हूँ वो थोड़ा अलग है, थोड़ा हल्का। इफ यू गाइस रिमेंबर, आई हैड अपलोडेड अ वीडियो विद सागर भलवटिया, द गाय हु हैज फाउंडेड Tags Foods. Sagar and I had a conversation after the upload and he was like, Sid, सही में चख के बता यार कैसा है. So yeah, we've got with us Tags Foods का popped potato chips. Now, before I go on and actually bring this product in front of you and actually show you what it is, please like, share, subscribe कर दो अभी से. Because seriously, this is the first time I'm doing it. I am in like the minority जिसको tomato flavored chips पसंद है. I know. Don't come at me. I know. sour cream and onion के आगे कुछ सही नहीं है. I know. But हम biased नहीं हैं. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे कि बाकी flavors बेकार है. No. I actually like a lot of different flavors as well. I am also going to compare these chips to the regular chips that we usually get. I'm going to check for a few parameters as well, which I'll be telling you guys about. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what these packets look like. First of all, let's start. First things first. Let's start with the absolute OG. I know ये mirrored image आ रहा है. I know you guys can't necessarily see it or feel it, but I can tell you something. The packaging is super premium. Have you ever had those Lay's ka packets which are like super spicy or super like bigger chips? Like Lay's Max, I think, has that packaging, but it's like completely black, right? But then when you feel it on the outside, it's like the glossy, slippery wala black. This is like matte black. This is like badass black packaging. And the fucking feel to it. Oh, brilliant. Absolutely brilliant feeling. It's called Salt Trippin. 50% less fat, like we had spoken, and that's what it says. And it's got no preservatives, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, no cholesterol, no trans fat, no palm oil, no gluten. Let's see what it says. It says, "We love our mom." Okay, by the way, it literally says, oh, I don't know if it's able to focus. It says "we" as in we. We love our mom, our friends, and our chips. Okay, this is literally targeted at a very young audience. All of a sudden मुझे बूढ़ा feel हो रहा है. We love our moms, our friends, and our chips. Hence, we don't fry or bake any of them. Smiley face emoji. Each chip is popped using kick-ass technology, which combines high temp and pressure and cuts the oil. It's tastier than the boring baked ones and fitter than the fried ones. This just sounds like a jack talking in a gym, isn't it? It just sounded like some guy in the gym who's like, bro, protein ले लो, bro, अब ये tags का chip आया है, ये must popped है, ले लो यार. Now, I think they did an entire promotional video, which I might just attach to this, on why they have given sanitizer packets. तो अभी sanitizer साथ में दिया है तो उसका भी review तो करेंगे ही. Now there are two kinds of sanitizers. There's this yellow fellow which is called citrus lemon, and I think with the other ones there's a green fellow. We'll get to that. Okay, I have to tell you, this is why I'm not good at unboxing. आज नाखून काटने वाला था, but दोपहर को ये आया मेरे हाथ में. So I said अब नाखून नहीं काटूंगा, and yet I'm struggling. So it's very convenient, I feel, where people can just, you know, pick out the sanitizer and you know, apply it to their hands. I'm opening it up. Kya smell hai. Very recently I had gone out to one of these places, one of these cafe places for like a couple of minutes, and wahan pe there was a sanitizer, right? And that sanitizer this is good. And that sanitizer smelled like alcohol, and I asked what flavor is this, or what fragrance this sanitizer is supposed to be. And the guy at the counter said it's supposed to be चीकू flavor. कसम से RS वाली बदबू आ रही थी उसमें यार. Now onto the chips. Like I said, I suck at unboxing. So rather than using this Kechi straight away, what we are going to do is, I've also got a very trusty knife. So I'm just gonna do this. By the way, if you guys are imagining me using my teeth like a lot of people do, like ऐसे काट के खुद, I can't do that. I know a lot of people say सफेदी की चमकान when I smile, but ये सिर्फ वीडियो में अच्छा दिखता है, बाकी my teeth are very fucking brittle. Okay, so alright, we managed to pop this open. Oh. Yo, that smells salty as all hell. ये उसके वाला स्मेल आ रहा है. This is the classic salted of Uncle Chips. Very very precise. ठीक है. So what I'm gonna do is, we'll show you the chip. Circular in shape, pretty decent. It doesn't look fried. You can tell right off the bat it's not fried at all. Usually what happens is, fried होता है तो उसका मसाला immediately तुम्हारे हाथों पे चिपकता है, because there's a glaze of oil on it. इसमें नहीं आ रहा. This is pretty good. Now I'm gonna test it for a couple of things. One is crunch factor. क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़रूरी है भाई, कुछ भी हो जाए क्रंच फैक्टर होना ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, दैट इज व्हाट यू ईट चिप्स फॉर. सो क्रंच फैक्टर इज इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम गोना ट्राई दिस फॉर क्रंच फैक्टर एंड फॉर टेस्ट. ऑलराइट, लेट्स सी. ऑलराइट. क्या क्रंच है. Is it funny that's actually crunchier than the fried chip? Is it just it's actually the right amount of salt. You know what? You can't go wrong with an OG salted chip. But I have to try this fellow. I have to try another one of these. I'm gonna take this whole thing in. Let's see what it tastes like. Okay, let's have that explosion of salty flavor in my mouth. Let's do this. 1, 2, and 3. Like salted chips give me the birthday party vibes. बचपन में नहीं होता था. सब बच्चों के बर्थडे पे एक छोटे से पेपर प्लेट में छोटा सा पेस्ट्री दे दिया, पार्ले जी का एक पैकेट दे दिया, थोड़े वेफर्स दे दिए. ये वो वाले वेफर्स वाले वाइब मेरे को ज़्यादा आते थे पहले, with all the other chips. Then everyone came up with those ridges and shit like that and changed games up. I'm not saying Lay's and all are bad. I'm just saying if this is able to like retain the flavor and the crunch, minus the palm oil and the gluten, any day. One more thing I wanted to mention. The chip to air ratio is actually pretty good. So it's not, I don't feel very cheated, by the way. It's very तुम्हें मजा आएगा. Like this is all chips, by the way. और ऊपर से मैंने 3 खा लिए. So you can imagine this is good chip to air ratio. Ta-da! This is the masala flavor. It's got the same "We love our mom" wala speech at the back. This flavor is called masala trekkin. I like how they've got like catchy names to this. And it's got this green apple wala sanitizer pack to it. Ooh, एक बार में निकल आया. Amazing. The sanitizer smelled good. Like even this one smells good. But when you're actually eating the chips, it doesn't intrude with anything. Like it doesn't scent your chip or you don't smell it. The smell is very temporary and it goes off. It's like perfect for when you have to eat with your hands. Sometimes you want something that smells strong enough so that it stays. But eventually, when you're eating something, you don't want that. I feel like a carpenter right now. Guys, this is खतरों के खिलाड़ी season 11 का training going on. ये audition stunt है. No, audition. खतरों के खिलाड़ी में audition होता ही नहीं है ना. Roadies Revolution 2021. Now, why am I brandishing this? Sorry. ये रोडीज का स्टंट है. प्लीज डू नॉट ट्राई दिस एट होम. माई मेथड ऑफ ओपनिंग थिंग्स. द ओनली रीजन आई एम ओपनिंग इट लाइक दैट इज सो दैट आई डोंट मेक अ मेस, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो माई वर्क डेस्क एंड आई डोंट वॉन्ट इंसेक्ट्स अराउंड लाइक एंट्स एंड ऑल. You know what? I expected this to smell like magic masala, Lay's का blue वाला, but this just smells like kurkure, straight up kurkure. Let me tell you which kurkure also. The green kurkure. All right, let's taste this again. Very very perfect, very consistent shape. I like that. नहीं तो पैकेट में कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना, एक छोटा सा ऐसा चिप आ जाता है और फिर एक बड़ा कंबल के साइज का चिप आ जाता है. Yeah, this is pretty even. I like this. It's good. Okay. Crunch factor, I think you guys know what it's like. Okay, listen. Whatever I said about that salted chip, it's OG, it's classic, it's good. This thing, tastes like it was made at home. Oh my god, no wonder. I was just gonna say, थोड़ा सा garlic का vibe आ रहा है, chili flakes का vibe आ रहा है, black pepper का vibe आ रहा है, and those are exactly the ingredients shown. Of course, there's some like actual like chili powderish thing going on. So, you know when you order that garlic bread from Domino's, उस पर chili flakes डालो, oregano का seasoning डालो, because नमक perfect होना चाहिए. वो oregano में काफ़ी नमक भी होता है. You put some oregano, you put some chili flakes, and garlic तो होता ही है garlic bread में. Apart from that, you hit it with some pepper. Hit black pepper straight up. Now you condense all that into less of a mess and more of a crunchy combination. Hello, tags, masala trekking. That's what this is. Oh my god, I have to have like a one chip thing to this. For all those that know me, you guys know मुझे मिर्च से प्रॉब्लम है. I can't eat things that are too spicy. But this is like perfect. I think it's got the pepper wala spice. It's got the garlic to balance it out. It's got the chili flakes wala. You know how chili flakes are not spicy. A lot of chips add too much of mirchi and call it masala chips. That's not masala chips. That's chili chips. That's literally Tabasco and Lay's classic salted had a baby. No. I'm not into that. This. Moving on to the most awaited fellow. और मैं end में इसको ranking भी दूंगा, by the way. The cream and onion. Now a lot of tough competitors for this fellow. It's competing against the Pringles cream and onion, which by the way, in my humble opinion, is genuinely fantastic. Okay. It's also competing with Lay's cream and onion, which I think is like eh. But it's also competing with my all-time favorite cream and onion chips, and that is Balaji. Listen, Balaji wafers, very underrated. I'm not going to... यार ये एक बार में कैसे निकल रहा है? I'm getting pro at this shit, huh? I'm not going to review the sanitizer because it's the same sanitizer as the previous one, the green apple fellow. But this packaging, this thing is called Cream Onion Dive-In. That's what it's called. This is a light green packet. The masala one was like a darker green packet. So, of course, it's got the cream and onion branding, the same old "We love our mom's" speech. Alright, let's dive right into it. Packaging तो यार माशाल्लाह मैं तो सही में कहता हूँ यार. Apple का product बेच रहे हो ऐसी packaging दी है तुम लोगों ने. Once again, please don't try. I should stop brandishing the knife. Please don't try this at home. Oh, this is smelling. Oh. Yo. This is actually the most genuine sour cream and onion smell you could ever combine. That is epic. Like now I'm thinking about all the sour cream and onion chips I've had, and I'm thinking, man, that didn't really taste like sour cream and onion. Like it actually smells like an onion, nicely sauteed onion. Oh, brilliant. And then you put some thick ass sour cream in it. Oh, it's got the herb vibes going as well. It's got the herby vibes, yo. You know what? I can't wait. I can't wait to dive into this. Let me get right to it. Listen, Sagar told me this is his bestseller. I see why. Guys, it's got cheese in it. Now I see it's got cheese in it. I say, what is that flavor that's kicking me? Back of your tongue, it's always like you have the onion thing going in the background. Like it's like a nice. I'm gonna give you a musical analogy to this whole thing. It's like someone's playing a nice keyboard, like or piano thingy, going ting, 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 ting in the back, and then aage there's like a bass guitarist in the form of sour cream, going dum 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 dum. It's got beautiful bass lines, and then that cheese literally picks up with some overdrive on his electric guitar, going. That's a really bad solo, I know. But damn, that cheese. Ooh. I'm gonna go for a whole one. Again, very consistent shape. But this one has more of a boat-like vibe, if you see. Yeah, this is more like a container boat kind of vibe going on. That was very circular. Consistent crunch. This in competition है ही नहीं, यही जीतता है तीनों में से. This is the best. बाकी दो होंगे यार बहुत क्लोज कंपेटिटर्स, फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. This is number one. This is the best. I usually don't like changing up my snack game a lot. Okay? I'm very stuck on Balaji tomato twist. I'm very stuck on Lay's ka tomato chips, like Spanish tomato. I think that's what it's called. Pringles khana ho to definitely the sour cream. There's certain brands in which I like the barbecue flavored chips. But damn guys, if you're getting this kind of flavor and crunch by just popping a chip, not trying it. अरे ये तला हुआ है ही नहीं, मुझे बिलीव ही नहीं हो रहा ये तला हुआ नहीं है यार. I'm so proud of these guys for making this product happen. 50% lesser fat. I mean, epic, amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna drop the links to all the products and all the places you can buy the product in the description. It's amazing. मेरा पहला रिव्यू वीडियो है और मुझे एक्चुअली मज़ा आया इसमें. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज मुझे खाने को मिला. देखो मैं वैसे हूँ डुक्कर कैटेगरी का आदमी, कुछ भी खा लेता हूँ, अच्छे से खाता हूँ, लेकिन बट कसम से दिस वॉज amazing. This was really good. Thank you so much guys for watching this. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna finish all this. I'm gonna go make myself some chai. I'm gonna have this with it. Just gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up, share it with people, subscribe to the channel if you want more of these reviews on products and things like that. Put it down there. And thanks a lot to Sagar Bhalotia. Cheers bro. A big thank you to Tags Foods for letting me do this. Please 100% Orbata approved product. Go ahead, check this out, enjoy it with your family, and I'm gonna see you guys next video. Bye bye.